In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit the subject line in Gmail quickly and easily. This is a simple but very useful skill, especially if you want to make your email clearer before sending it, update a draft, or fix a subject line that doesn't quite say what you want. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to mail.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Gmail account you want to use. Once Gmail loads, you can either click Compose to start a brand new email, or if you already have an email draft open, you can open that draft instead. This is important because the subject line can only be edited before the email is sent. Next, look for the subject field. It usually appears right below the recipient line and above the main message area. Click directly inside that subject field so your cursor appears there. Once the cursor is active, you can highlight the current subject text and type in your new subject line. Keep it clear, relevant, and specific so the person receiving the email knows exactly what it's about. If you need to, you can make the subject shorter, add more detail, or correct any spelling mistakes. After you've edited the subject line, take a moment to review the rest of your message. Make sure everything looks right, because once you send the email, the subject line can't be changed for that sent message. When you're happy with everything, go ahead and click send, and that's it. You've successfully edited the subject line in Gmail and sent your email. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Gmail tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.